Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on this website by just playing games, completing surveys, and then completing other tasks. Okay, so right here on this website you can actually see it's a website to complete surveys and then make money. Okay, so right here you can see this is some kind of offers that are available on this platform. So here you can see this offer is actually going to pay you 0.22 cents for completing it. This is going to pay you 0.4 cents. This is going to pay 0.9 cents. This is going to pay 0.8 cents, 0.41 cents. This is 0.52 cents. So there are a lot of them on this platform. Okay, you can just keep scrolling and then you're gonna keep seeing list of offers that are available on this platform. Okay, so right here you can see these are other offers, which is spinning or signing up on other websites. Okay, so this actually is going to pay you a particular amount of money for completing them. Okay, so this other one here are survey offers. Okay, so once you just click on any of these buttons, you're just going to be directed to a page and you're going to be asked few questions, and once you just complete that, your money is going to be added to your dashboard already. So right here you can see I have 50 points. Okay, and trust me, if I want to withdraw this, I can actually withdraw using any of the methods I provide on this platform. Okay, so to cash out on this platform, you just have to click on cash out, and then you're gonna see different cash out options they have. You can see PayPal, you can see Bitcoin, you can see Stake, you can see Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin. There are lots of them right here. You can also redeem your points by getting Amazon gift card. Okay, so there are a lot of options on this platform that you can use to redeem your cash. Okay, so guys, the name of this website is freecash.com. Okay, I'm going to be dropping the link to sign up on this website in the description of this video. Okay, so make sure you use the link to sign up so you can get a welcome bonus for yourself. Okay, so right here on this platform, if you want to start earning after signing up, all you just have to do is to click on this end button. Okay, so once you click on the end button, it's going to show you these options right here. So you can just click on any of these and they're going to show you what you're going to do to get this page to your dashboard. Okay, so let me quickly click on this option right here. So let me see how I'm going to complete these tasks to get this 0.45 page to my dashboard. Okay, so right here you can see um okay, you can see right here, play city adventure, complete level 16, redeem your points, users only, new users only. Okay, so actually all I just have to do is to install this game on my phone. Okay, so once I install it, I just follow this instruction. Okay, so once I play it till level 16, I just come back on this platform. Okay, and the money is going to be paid directly to my dashboard. Okay, so guys, there are a lot of ways you can actually make money on this platform. You can also make money by inviting people to join this platform. Okay, so if you invite your friends and family to join this platform, you can actually be making money. Okay, but basically all you just have to do is to install app, take surveys. You can see if you want to take surveys, you just scroll down here and then you select any of these options. Okay, so once you click on them, it's going to direct you to a page where you're gonna be given some surveys you just have to fill. Okay, so right here you can see these are surveys that are available. You can see right here, complete your profile for great surveys to access rewarded surveys. Okay, so if I just complete this right now and I'm gonna check in few minutes time, you're gonna see a lot of surveys available for me right here on this platform. Okay, so guys, make sure you go try this platform out. Okay, try this platform out. All you just have to do is log in daily and then complete tasks and start making money for yourself. But if you see my video for the first time on YouTube, I would say you should hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this, you get notified by YouTube, so you can just watch and then start making money for yourself. Okay, so guys, this platform is actually very easy to use. Okay, so I'm just gonna log out right now and then show you how you can create an account for yourself. Okay guys, once you click on the link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video, this is where you're going to be directed to. Okay, so this is the sign up page. So right here all you just have to do is to fill up your personal informations, and then just click on sign up, and then you're gonna get your account prepared. Okay, so right here you can see this is where you put in your email address. So here you're just gonna put in your username, and right here you're just gonna put in a password and then confirm your password. And then after doing that, you just click on this option right here. So once you just check it, you're just gonna click on sign up. Okay, so once you click on sign up, it's gonna take few minutes. They're gonna send you an email. So once you just confirm the email, your dashboard is gonna be ready. Okay, and trust me, if you're using this link to sign up, you're gonna get a welcome bonus for yourself. Okay, so guys, make sure you go try this website out, and as well you can go on Trustpilot and check this website out for yourself. Okay, this website is actually legit, and they have been paying people for a very long time. Okay, they have over 27,000 reviews on Trustpilot. So guys, you can see right here, they have over 27,000 reviews on Trustpilot. Okay, so you can actually go on Trustpilot and then check out for yourself to see more reviews about this platform. Okay, but trust me guys, this platform is actually legit. All you just have to do is log in daily and then complete tasks. Okay, so once you get up to $5, you can actually withdraw your earning to whatever payment method you have provided already. Okay, so guys, make sure you go try this website out. Okay, so if you have watched this video till this time, I will say thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe.